just say thank you to you. This past week, I launched my new brand, Beyond the Cream, making self-care simple. And the response that we got from our clients, our customer, our fan, our supporters, friends and family, it was amazing, to the point where we had a customer coming up to me asking me if I can put some of these products together for a wedding party at a bridal shower. I was so excited. I didn't know what to do, so I had to ask my wife, hey babe, can you put something together for me? I'm not that creative, because you know the women, when it comes to setting things up, you guys are so good at these stuff. So I end up putting the no foot fetish cream in these cute bags, no cap rejuvenating foot cream, and our drip radiant body oil. And of course, I had to ask my wife to tie this little bow together. It is so cute. Thank God for her, because at the end, these little pouch was so cute for the bridal shower. I never thought something like this can be presentable, giving it to the wedding party people. So of course, I gotta load up in my car and of course, take it to work and finally hand it to our clients. This was such an awesome experience. Thank you so much, guys. Get your self-care product by Beyond the Cream now. Thank you.